Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So, those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you subscribe, like, share, and also make your comments. Let's take a look at this gold for the next day, which is for the 2nd of January. We want to know where this price will be moving. Also, have it in mind that markets will not open on Monday, which is for the 2nd. So, if in case market opens right, we just don't know. If in case market opens, then we would go ahead and use this analysis to trade. But if it does not open, then we would use this analysis for the 3rd of January, which is on Tuesday. So anyhow, once market opens, this is how we are going to trade the days. Now, before we place that trade on the assets, we would want to know the trend for such movements. Markets make three movements: either an uptrend move, a downtrend move, or a range market move. So what we are having here on gold is an uptrend move. That is one. Secondly, we can see it's trading above the 10-period moving average. Now, you all know that once your price is above your moving average, then definitely that is a bullish move. That is a buy movement, right? We all know that. So that is what we are having on this gold. Now let's see this movement from here. We can take a look at this to be an higher highs. Then this will be taken to be a pullback. You can see a new highs here. A pullback was made here, kind of like a double top we got here. The price gave us like a drop, and now a new highs has been formed. This is this huge candlestick wicks taken up, which broke this previous high. So this is a new highs on this gold. Now a pullback has been made. What do you expect next? Of course, we expect a new highs that will take out this previous highs. So a new highs needs to be made. In order for that new highs to be made, we need to go bullish. That is one of the reasons why if markets should open on the 2nd, then we should be able to get a bullish move. So watch out for a bullish move on this gold. Let's try and take out this candlestick wick here, which is a level of 1833. Currently, we are trading, gold is at the level of 1824. So let's try and take out a level of 1833 on our gold. And now let's go to the 4-hour time frame. So you can see previously on the 4-hour time frame, price was kind of like a ranging market move. We saw it drop to this level, right? And then a move was made to this level, which we will take as a resistance. The price came to this support level again, then a bullish move to the resistance. Then we had a drop that was close to the support level. Anyway, price rejected and gave us a move to the resistance level. Price kind of gave us that bullish move. So we see price now giving us that bullish move, break out of this resistance level. What do you expect next? We expect it to actually take out this huge candlestick wick you are seeing here. I talked about it, taking it, which is a level of 1833. So gold, right, I'll be we should also speculate a bullish move to at least get to level of 1833. If price breaks above it and continue the bullish move, then we will go ahead with our bullish move on our gold.